Hi everybody. Well, I just wanted to make a little video. I just bought this gas one. It's a propane and butane, like a little stovetop. Anyways, so I bought a Blackstone grill, and I still wanted something when we go camping. I still wanted something that we could use to have some flame so I can boil water for coffee or whatever. And so I got this because it takes two gases, and I thought that was pretty cool. So that's where the propane tank goes. But in my instructions, it had nothing about how to install the propane, and this is what I got with it. I got that, and I got this little chinga piece right here, and so nothing how to install it or whatever. So I took some time and I figured it out. And actually, so there's a little like nipple right here, and it's threaded. So right here. So this goes on. It has a little notch, and then it actually screws in. And once that goes in, then you can close that, and then it goes right in there. So anyways, I hope that helps everybody. I've looked online, and most of the ones that they have, these gas ones, have actually a hose on it, but this one didn't. And even like I said, even in the instructions, it had nothing to do with how to install this. So yeah, so it just screws right on, and then the propane bar, the regulator, goes right on it. So, all right, until next time, bye.